Let's go for a little wander. Screaming kids and motorbikes. Something pine. Look at that. Wow. Oh my goodness. Imagine being in here at night. Oh, I just want to fly in. Wow. Let's go the Rainforest circuit. It's short. 2.5 kilometers. We'll do that one today. Oh my god, it's so lush. It's so lush. Rainforest circuit. Oh, listen to that naughty kid. Let's go. Oh. I almost want to cooey, but I don't want to disturb. I don't think I've got the right appropriate shoes. I didn't bring any, but oh well. Please don't come this way. Please don't come this way. Great. I'm going another way. So I'm really happy that I've had a little walkabout down here in the park. Imagine being in here when it rains. Immerse yourself, people, in the beautiful sounds of the rainforest. So luscious, the air is so crisp and so fresh. It's giving me a head spin. Not really, but oh, so darling. Look at this. Oh, wow. So this is going to be a little drawn out video because, you know, it's a real experience walking the trail. And some of you guys, almost slept. Some of you guys, I know, have no access to places like these. So I want to share it with you and give you a virtual experience, even though, you know, it'll be through a computer screen. What's in here? Universe, oh my God. I feel so blessed. Oh. Imagine doing exercise in here every day. I mean, it's like paradise. This is where I'd come every single day. That is an Atkins fig tree. So big. Wow. So old. Wonder what the figs taste like. Oh, this one looks like he's come up. He's fallen over. It's be a lot of work to cut it up, to get it off the track. Oh, imagine swinging from these trees. Oh, what's that there? Look at these swinging. Something's here. I feel it clairvoyantly. Clairvoyantly, there's something right here. Oh, what's here? Show me, show me. Oh. Oh. I have goosebumps. Oh, big energy right here. Oh, show me who you are. Show me who you are. Oh. Wow. Oh. I can't see anything. I mean, psychically, there's something here, but look at how these leaves are just twitching like that. There's a big mass of energy, but it's just like to me, it looks like a mist. And it's just sitting here. It's just sitting here. You know, I'm getting the impression now it's like they are the keeper of this area. They are the keeper of this area. Whew. That was weird. I wish I had a psychic lens on this camera so you could see it. As much as it would freak me the hell out to come here at night, I would love to come here at night. But I feel that I'm not brave enough. I couldn't do it on my own. I would just freak out properly. I would really freak out. I know it. I wish I wouldn't, but you know, if I didn't believe in aliens, or if I know they exist, or you know about all the other types of life, hello down there, then maybe I'd be okay. Look at this little guy. Good morning. Big fig tree. Everyone's enjoying. Oh, so special. Wow, that was so odd. Oh, look. Somebody's made a cairn of power over here. Someone's got a witchy bone. Cairn of power. Cairn of power. Let me put my prayer on the cairn of power. In a perfect world, I'd love to live in somewhere like this. Oh, hello. Good morning. Hi. I mean, if I was a bird, this is the kind of place I'd want to be. If I was an insect, this is the place I'd want to be. Maybe. Because maybe being a bird or an insect is a hard life in a rainforest. Predators. Your girl is panting hard because this is incline. Anyway, I need some exercise because I've been sitting on my ass on the train. Oh, imagine having a zip line along here. Look at this big log. Oh, it's fallen and they've sliced it up. Oh. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look how big this is. Oh. Oh, it's so big. How many hundreds of years old is it? Poor old tree. Hundreds of years old. Wow. Oh, good morning.
Good morning.
Hi. Hi. Good morning. Hi. Some folk out enjoying. So this is a little rainforest walk. Come along with me and enjoy. Hang out while I go for a walk in the rainforest. Oh, loving this water. Oh, so special. Oh, my heart is singing right now. Imagine a life in here. spectacular. I keep rambling on, but it really is. I feel like I'm talking way too loud. And yes, I'm hearing those screaming kids before. Imagine being here at night. My God, what would be in here? I couldn't even imagine, I don't think. It'd be quite disconcerting being here at night, and to be honest, I'd probably freak out because you and I both know what may linger here at night. You know, it's like under the ocean. On the top it all looks still and quiet, but underneath, you know, there's this whole thing going on. And I bet that's how it is here at night time. I can't even imagine what would be here at night. Oh, everything's so delicate, so beautiful. Oh my goodness. If you feel sick, if you have anguish, if you are having a hard day, I swear it, this is your place. This is your place. Right here. Come to Mount Glorious. Come to Mount Glorious and hang out. You know, when I was planning this trip, I knew there was the Andulairah National Park, which is this, or part of it. But I had no idea that there were these walking trails. Places for wow. I'm so glad I came to Mount Glorious. Hello. Beautiful old tree. Actually, Bev was just telling me that the Japanese government had made or created these forest space for the city people to come and just making noise, not riding, but just for city people to come and sit and immerse within the energies of the trees. I forgot what the term was that the trees emanate. Of course, you and I know that these trees are emanating healing properties all the time. But for the government to recognize this, a government, and to let the people just come and sit and reflect and, you know, philosophize. Is that even a word? Oh, I don't even know. I mean, it's an amazing thing for a government to recognize that. Oh God, look at this tree. It's like Tarzan tree. They're so high. Just a little jungle walk with Andulairah.